no. Hey, take a picture of us.
I don't know how to take
It's a
a...
video.
How do you take
This
it?
video definitely takes Shah's tummy in.
Yeah, I know. 1 minute. Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah, Shah, Mr. Shah. I'll take Ashwin.
Watch your back.
Okay. Amris, let me take a picture. Okay.
Come. All right. Let's go.
That felt good.
Alicia, say hi.
Hi.
Dada, say hi.
just come out.
Priya, say hi.
Sometimes challenge when I take
Hi, my
video.
shoes.
You just look into their eyes. They don't smile. Come and tell them. I'll cut my ears off. Because they're so sure to smile. The moment they look at you, smile opens up on them.
Hello.
Did you all try the arachis? How was that?
It was a mixed drink with starfruit.
Ah, okay.
It
And
was not bad at all.
Strawberry. Oh, it was strawberry, starfruit.
It was strong.
yes, strawberry.
That was definitely strong. But is this a video?
Oh, we're going to see waterfalls.
Another waterfall. Or is that a waterfall?
Where's that waterfall?
Ideal for the grade 1 and 2 and 3 also. The last time I took a busload of people who wanted to do that, but none of them were able to handle the first section. So they said we'll go to
Say
the
hi,
grade
Amanda.
2 section. We came half the way from there, they did the rest. It was too strong for them to do.